is awesome.
Doesn't get much better than this.
Nope.
All right. A little bit to the right. Yeah, it's pretty calm out this morning too. You know, when it gets later in the day, you get a little bit more convection. And you get bounced around a little bit more, so you have to kind of fight the pitch attitude to keep it where you want it.
Yep. Kind of a lot to take in to maintain everything, so it's looking at the controllers trying back up to...
It's okay. Just look on the horizon, bring the compass up a little. Right there. Perfect.
Okay. This is really neat. I'm going right along with 16.
Oh, this is 95.
Oh.
Yep, 16 would be on the other side of the river. So you can see the high-rise bridge up there.
All right.
Let's make a right-hand turn towards the middle of the airport there. Good. Very nice. We'll roll it out. Just bring the wings level. Good. A little forward. Good.
I don't really have to mess around with the pedals too much.
Yep, you will in a hover. Most people first time, I give them all the controls one at a time, but in a hover you really can't do all three at once. It's just a little too overwhelming. So we'll see how you do. Wind check.
Wind's calm.
Okay, so turning left, we're pitching forward, so we're just going to bring the cyclic up a little bit, bring it back to the right. Good, a little bit more. There you go. See the Home Depot down there? That orange roof?
Yeah.
Just fly right over that parking lot.
Okay. I gotta get my my knots up.
Doing good. Lights out, gauge green RPM, fuel, cyclic trim, carb heat. Great landing checks complete.
Ah, there we go. Come back now. Nope. Okay.
So how do we fix this? Pull the cyclic back a little bit?
Yep.
There you go. Bringing the compass up on the horizon. Looking good. Tower 71 Golf, 1 mile.
After 71 Golf, the winds are calm, clear to land, Alpha Taxiway, Jason Hotel, and contact ground in the 139 overflow area.
Roger, clear to land, Alpha Beam Hotel, and I'll contact ground in the overflow, 71 Golf. Alright, this is going to be basically all me now. You just kind of stay along. I'm lowering the collective, adding a little bit of right pedal for the loss in torque. As a result, you can see we have a much lower manifold pressure, and we're descending, right? We're coming down.
No, 916 Charlie, Lima 34, winds are calm, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
glad you're landing this.
First thing I'm going to pass you is going to be the pedals. There's some ground, someone go with you. So you see the pedals?
After 4471 go.
You just feather them like I'm doing?
Yeah, remember I told you you're going to have to feather them a little bit?
Yeah.
Well, don't look at the pedals because that's not going to help you. You got to look out front, right?
Uh-huh.
So if I start going right, I got a little bit of left pedal to bring the nose around. If I go too far left, just let the left pedal come out a little bit. You can literally fly this thing with one foot because every time you let your left foot off of it, it rebounds into your foot. Okay? So we're just pointing the aircraft with the pedals. Any questions?
Point with the pedals, don't look at the pedals.
Correct. Just look out front. Point at that hangar. Pick something. Pick a black spot on the pavement up here. Whatever. You ready?
Yeah.
You got the pedals. A little bit of left pedal, a little bit of left pedal. Good. More left pedal. We'll point right back around to where we were looking before.
Oh.
A little bit more left pedal. Good. So not too bad.
Hey, I'm hovering.
Well, I'm hovering.
All right.
You're pointing us. All right, not bad. Okay, I'm going to take those back. Next thing is the collective. We push it down, we go down. We pull it up, we go up, okay?
Okay.
So you want to avoid doing this. These are big inputs, okay? You want to think about much smaller inputs. Just try and keep us over one spot, okay?
Okay.
Keep us at a specific skid height. You've got the collective. Very good. Okay, go ahead and take the pedals as well. So you've got both the collective and the pedals.
Whoop.
Try and keep us pointed in one direction at one height. Good. I think it's a little more challenging now, a little left pedal. Good. Why don't you go ahead and point us at this 747 over here. A little bit of left pedal, a little bit down on the collective, just a tiny bit. Just let it sink at that left pedal. Good.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
A little left pedal. Not bad.
Ah, whoop. It's totally different than they're doing everything all at once.
Yep. Okay, I'll take those back. I got those now. Next thing's going to be the cyclic. Okay, this thing's going to try and fall forward and right. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the opposite feeling of what we're doing in forward flight. So you're always kind of keeping this thing back and left. You can literally fly it with an open palm. I don't want you to, but it's just to illustrate how much it's pushing forward, forward and right. Okay, so what you really have to pay attention to is the attitude of the aircraft. If we start pitching forward, there's like a split second there before we actually start drifting forward, right?
Yeah.
So that's your opportunity to correct it. So when you see it start to pitch forward, pull back on the cyclic. When you see it start to pitch up, push forward on the cyclic. And if you can do that, do something that looks like this, that'll be a pretty good hover. You're probably going to do something that looks a little bit more like this, okay?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm here for. I'll be on the controls at all times, okay?
Right and back.
So 3, 2, 1. I'm going to start releasing my pressure, so just pull a little bit back and left, a little bit back and left. Nice and relaxed, small inputs, right? Remember I said hand and fingers, wrist, not the whole arm.
Yeah.
So you're trying to fly with the whole arm here.
Those are fingers, fingers, fingers.
Nice small inputs. Feel what I'm doing. Now there's no such thing as a perfect position for the cyclic, so you do have to keep it moving as well. 3, 2, 1. I start to relax my grip. You got to push a little bit left, push a little bit left. There you go, a little bit left. There it is. A little bit back, a little bit left. There you go. Just a little to the left will stop that slide. Good, perfect. That's very good. That's a very good job. A little bit Forward, good. Now a little bit back again. A little bit left.
Oh. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
It's okay. You just gotta fly the aircraft.
Uh-oh.
It's okay, I got it.
Hat stopped there for a minute.
Huh?
I said my hat stopped there for a minute.
Now you're doing fine.
Listen, into that minute.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Okay, so if you want to stop that drift a little bit back and left. Good, there we go. A little bit back and left, don't let it pull you. Remember, it tries to pull you forward and right, right?
Yeah.
So it makes sense that we're going in that direction. Remember I said we're a pendulum?
Mm-hmm.
So this is pendular action.
Oh, 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 oh.
We give us a little bit of room here. All right, 3, 2, 1. Good. Doing a great job.
See, I'm fine like this. When we really start going, that's when.
What's that?
So when it really starts moving, that's when it just goes just like
Well,
it's
you just got to keep it here then. Three, 2, 1. Okay, so if we're going right, you want to stop it, you got to push left. There you go.
That was
A
not
little bit
pushing.
back, just bring the nose up a little. I'll level the aircraft. There you go. Remember how I said this doesn't do anything?
Yeah.
So let's try to bring our arm down. There you go. Alright. Just gonna set us down here.